Hi, this is Will from Davis Tent. I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket zipper. This is an unusual issue that you could run into with a window at some time, but let me show you how this works. We buy these little fix-it zippers, and you just thread it onto one side of the zipper. This is the hardest part that you'll do. It's just getting the material in here, and then you thread the other side into the zipper. You can see me struggle with it right there. No wonder I'm struggling. There's the one side, and the zipper is open right now on both sides, and that's why it can be a little bit of a pain. Now once I get it started, I'm going to immediately start to tighten this zipper down, and there's a little knob right on top that you're going to see me tighten, and what that does is it tightens that zipper rail around the zipper itself. And so I'm going to tighten that down pretty much as tight as I can get it, because otherwise what's going to happen, this zipper is going to slide and it's not going to pull teeth together. So you can see as I go, right now it has to be tighter. So we're going to come back down, we're going to tighten it up more using the top knob. Once we do that, I've got it zipped tight, and you can see that zipper holds nice together, and then they make a little ring as a zipper pull, or you can make your own zipper pull for it. So easy to do, solves the problem of zippers on windows if you ever have one. Thanks.